Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're gonna make a fatty. First time I'm doing one. We're gonna do it outside on the pit boss. Let's take a look and see what we're doing. I'm gonna show you how to make a bacon weave first. Let's go with that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. See you guys in a minute. Okay, first we're gonna start off by making a bacon weave. I'll show you how we do that. Take our bacon, just lay it down. It's okay if you overlap a little bit. It's not gonna hurt. Just like that. Then what you want to do is pull these ones all the way up, every second one. All the way up. Just like that. And you want to lay them across. Just like that. And then you want to, then pull over properly there. Just like so. Just like so. And I'll do one more row just to show you. You pull up the opposite ones that you've just pulled up. Get another piece of bacon. Put that down. And that's how you keep going. You keep alternating like that. And at the end you'll end up with a nice bacon weave. Show you one more time. One more piece. Just like this. Just like that. This one just like that. There you go. I'm going to continue on building my bacon weave. You guys have seen now. You get the gist of it and you know how to do it, so we'll pick back up in a few minutes. Okay, let's season up the bacon. Bacon weave's done. A little bit of salt. We're using sea salt here. There we go. Just like so. Then we're going to use some ground black pepper. It's not freshly ground, it's just whatever comes from the store. Just a light little dusting, nothing major, just a little bit of seasoning for underneath the ground beef. Then we're going to take some Italian seasoning and just sprinkle a little bit of that on. Oh, a little heavy over there, it's okay. Now we're going to be using some smoked herb and garlic cheese, the cheese that we smoked, a month or so ago. I'm going to use that. I'm going to grate some up, that way I can spread it out evenly. We'll pick back up in a bit. Okay. Take our ground beef that we have here. Spread our ground beef over top of our bacon. I'm going to try and make it nice and even layered. Don't know if that's going to happen or not, but we'll do our best. Maybe have too much bacon. Who am I kidding? Can never have too much bacon. Well, basically just like that. That's what we're going to be doing. Let me get this all done nicely. I'm going to season it up the same way I just did the bacon. Salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. And then I'll pick back up and show you the next step. See you in a bit. Okay. Ground beef's out. Pretty much even across. Now, we've seasoned it all. Now we're going to take some of that grated up smoked cheese. We're going to layer it with some smoked cheese. I've also got a little bit of mild cheddar mixed in, which is okay. Adds a little extra flavor. Flavor is good. It's what we want. We'll get this all layered up with some nice cheese. The rest of the cheese on there. There we go. Now spread the cheese out nice. Maybe I should grate a little bit more cheese. Let's grate a little more quick. You guys can see what I'm doing, hopefully. There we go. Grate up some more smoked cheese quickly. Right in the center here. Along this edge over here. There we go. That should be good. I'm going to take some green peppers. Place some green peppers over here on top of the cheese. This should be good. I've never tried this before, but I don't see how bacon, ground beef, cheese, and peppers aren't going to be good. Might be a little bit thick, but it's okay. I don't know how big it's going to be when it rolls up. We'll find that out when we get to that part. All right. Now you've seen it. Well, we'll pick back up when I'm ready to roll this up. Okay, let's attempt to roll this. This might be the hardest part, rolling it up. Let's see how this rolls up nice. I don't know what you would call this. I guess it's some kind of a fatty. Somewhat. More like stuffed meatloaf. Stuffed with cheese and green bell peppers. Alright, actually rolling up pretty nice. Alright, that's how we roll it up. There we go, all rolled up. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator for a few minutes while I get the Pit Boss all good and going. Not sure how long this is going to take to cook, but we'll see together how long it takes. Well, we'll see outside when we're ready to put it on the Pit Boss. Okay, we're up to 250 degrees. We're ready to put it on. Of course, one of those assholes have to ride by. There we go. Let's unroll it. See what we're looking at. There we are. Check that out. Check that out. Look. There we are. Now we're gonna let this go at 250 degrees. I'll probably bring the internal anywhere between 165 and 170. 75-ish. Hopefully the bacon's crisped up, and we're good to go. We'll pick back up in a bit with this one. Okay, we've been a half an hour. Let's see what we're looking at after a half an hour here. Oh, we're looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. Just to get some even cooking going. Should be evenly cooking anyway, but we'll flip it over anyway. Let's have a look. That's what we're sitting at right now. So we're gonna close the lid back up again. Let it go. We'll pick back up in a bit. Okay, we've been at the 1 hour mark now. Let's see what we're looking at. Nice. Let's take a temp reading on it. We're reading about 105. We still got a ways to go. I'm going to turn the heat up. 300. Start crisping up that bacon. Getting it cooked nice. We'll see how long it takes from here. We'll pick back up in a bit. Okay, we've been warm about a minute. I'm actually going to turn it up to 350 so we can start crisping up that bacon and finish this cook off. We'll pick back up in 15-20 minutes or so, see how that's doing. Probably flip it over one more time. See you then. Okay, we've been 15 minutes since the last time. Let's see what we got this time. Oh yeah. Nice. Greasy. Nice. Pull a quick temp on it. $130, $140 in some places. So we'll just let that go. Probably another 15 minutes or so. Should be done. Hopefully the bacon's crisped up enough and we can enjoy. See you then. Okay, let's have a look, see what we're looking at. Total time right now is an hour and a half. Okay, we're good. Let me get this pulled off and into the house and pick back up then. Okay, we've been resting for a couple minutes now. Time to see what we got. Bacon looks nice. Slice into it. See what we got. Whoop, that one fell right off. It's okay. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh, this looks very good. Turned out awesome. So it looks. Look at that. We got pepper. We got bacon. We got cheese. All melted. Smell that smokiness to it. Mixture of the bacon and the cheese itself. Looks delicious. Let's get a little piece of this one here. Look at that. Cheese. A little bit of a smoke ring on it. Turned out perfect. Well, you guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe. I'll have more coming for you soon. Bye, guys.